Assalamu alaikum guys, so we will continue our work that we started in the last video. So as I told you, if you have a very long text, you can't use this method. You should. So you will see the solution after the intro. Let's get started. So the solution, guys, you should just tokenize your text in sentences. So you can use from annotate, tokenize, import here, sense, tokenize. Okay. So this is, for example, our text, our long text. But here we will have just, I think, 3 or 4 sentences. No problem. Sentences, for example, say tokenize text. The length of sentences is 6. Okay, 6 sentences. Interesting. So let's apply our method. We just do a for loop. So for in sentences, and we will do here what we're gonna do. Please apply this one. So we will have a lot of results here. Okay, and append request, this one. And we are gonna change just the text by same. Okay, let's go. Very good. So let's see our results. So they are all right. For example, for the first one, this is the output. So I will just try for example, the third one. So guys, this is the end of the video. In the next video I will show you how to get the offsets of each of every entity that it's linked with the knowledge bases, because here, for example, this offset 50 is not the real offset of the entity metadata, because it's just the offset in this sentence, in the third sentence, and this is not what we want. So there is a solution. There is 2 solutions. First one, I can't consider it as a solution because it doesn't work with this tokenizer, so we will use another tokenizer, as I will show you in the next video, inshallah. So guys, see you, catch you later.